Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're looking to take your Instagram game to the next level, whether it's for boosting your brand, starting a small business, or just getting more insights into your post and audience, switching to a business account might just be the step you need. Today I'm going to walk you through the process of changing your Instagram from a personal or creator account to your business account. Let's dive in. First, grab your phone and open your Instagram app. Make sure you're logged in into the account that you want to convert. Now on your profile page, start by tapping on the three lines in the top right corner of the screen. This opens up a settings menu. Here you'll need to look for an option called account. Now here you can find switch to professional account. Tap on it. Instagram will now guide you through a few steps, starting with a page that explains the benefits of a professional account, which includes insights about your followers and posts, as well as the ability to run ads. Now you need to choose what best describes you. I'm going to be tapping digital creator. Now you'll be prompted to choose whether you want to make a creator or a business account. Since you are focusing on switching to a business account, select business and tap next. Instagram might ask you to review your contact information. This includes your email address, phone number, and physical address. You can decide which piece of information you want to display on your profile. After updating your contact details, tap next. Instagram will then ask if you want to connect to a Facebook page. This is optional but can be beneficial if you can manage a corresponding Facebook page for your business. If you don't have a Facebook page or don't want to connect one at the moment, just select skip. You can always add or create a Facebook page later, and that's it. Your Instagram account is now switched to a business account. You'll notice a new insights feature accessible from your profile where you can track the performance of your post and learn more about your audience demographics. Switching to a business account on Instagram opens up a lot of possibilities, from enhanced insights to the ability to advertise directly from the app. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. If you have any questions or need more tips, drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching.